Hello and welcome to Hands-on IT channel. Today will be the last video about snapshots. Well, hopefully what has been covered so far is pretty clear about snapshots. Today I will make 3 changes to my Windows VM and take 3 snapshots, one for each change. And I will check what will happen with my changes, the data, when one of the snapshots is deleted and then when all of them are deleted. So the question, do you think the data will be gone or will be merged with the drive? If you're not sure, keep watching. So the first thing we're going to do, we will try to make the first change to the system, my virtual machine. I'll try to make something really simple. I'm going to create a folder, folder 1, then folder 2, and folder 3. Now I'm going to create a snapshot. Try to put a note. Just put some kind of description, meaningful description. So you're not gonna have to guess, what each snapshot is for, what was created, what was done. Okay, so this is the first one with the first folder. I create an extra snapshot just to separate them so it's easy for you to see. There's really no other reason for me to create extra snapshots. We can delete them later anyways. So we have the first snapshot with folder 1. Okay, I'm using, this is my configuration, just to let you know. Okay, let's make another change and create another snapshot. Here's my folder 2. So I have 2 folders right now and 2 snapshots. Rename it or add a note. Here's the third folder and the third snapshot. Okay, let's test it. Activating the previous snapshot, which you can probably tell it's not going to have folder 3. We'll have folder 1 and 2. That's it. That's correct. Which means this snapshot is not holding the latest data, which is fine. That's what I wanted. Now let's activate the first snapshot that only has one folder, folder 1. And that's correct. That's my folder 1. Okay, now we will delete the latest snapshot and we'll see what will happen with the data from that snapshot. So I have to remind you, in the last snapshot, we had folder number 3. So question for you, do you think the data is gone once we delete the snapshot, or will it be merged? It's gone. So that means deleting a snapshot is not merging anything. Remember this. Let's delete the subtree. So we still have one snapshot, the first one. Let's see what data we have inside that snapshot. Huh. So all my folders are gone. So pretty much anything I have created so far is gone. Okay, now let's create a new folder. Now we're going to compare what's in the drive and what's inside the snapshot. Then I'm going to delete the snapshot, all snapshots, and then we'll see. We will see whether the data is gone or it's merged. First, let's check it. So that's my snapshot. I'm creating the snapshot manually just to be 100% sure this is something I created. Okay, let's switch back. Okay. So that's my first snapshot with no data. And now let's switch to my manually created snapshot. And here's my data. Now pay attention now. I'm going to delete them all. Now what do you think is going to happen? The first snapshot has no data. Second snapshot has my data. I'm going to delete them all. Now you can pause now and answer yourself this question. My newly created data, is it gone or it merged with the drive? Let's see. This is going to be a short video. Just practice a little bit. You have to be comfortable with this snapshotting thing. Look, no snapshots. All my data has been merged successfully. Remember, when you delete all snapshots, only then the data is merged. That's it for today. See you in the next video. And don't forget to visit my website and subscribe.